Breastfeeding looks natural, effortless, almost instinctive. But if this is your first time, here's the truth. Breastfeeding is learned, not automatic. And there are things no one warns you about. In the first few days, your baby may want to nurse constantly. This doesn't mean you don't have enough milk. It's how your body learns how much milk to make. Cluster feeding is normal, even though it can feel overwhelming and exhausting. You might expect breastfeeding to feel uncomfortable at first, but sharp pain is not normal. Soreness can happen, but pain usually means the latch needs adjustment. A shallow latch can cause cracked nipples quickly, and fixing it early makes everything easier. Let's talk about milk coming in. For many moms, it takes 2 to 5 days. Until then, your baby is getting colostrum, thick, powerful drops packed with antibodies. It may not look like much, but it's exactly what your baby needs. Breastfeeding can also feel emotional. Hormones shift rapidly, and it's common to feel teary, anxious, or overwhelmed during letdown. This is real, it's temporary, and you're not alone. No one tells you how physical breastfeeding is. Your back, neck, and arms can ache if you're not supported. Good positioning isn't a luxury, it's essential for comfort and milk flow. Your baby might make noises, pull off, or fall asleep mid-feed. This doesn't mean you're doing it wrong. Babies are learning too. Breastfeeding is not all or nothing. Using a pump, supplementing, or asking for help does not mean you failed. What matters is a fed baby and a supported mother. And finally, trust yourself. You and your baby are learning together. It may not look like the videos at first, but with patience, support, and time, it gets easier. You are doing better than you think.